to file in this court affidavits demonstrating compliance with the court orders at the expiry of the periods within which they have been ordered to act. The said commission, as well as the second and third respondents and first interested party, have already discharged this burden by marking the boundary features on the ground between the fourth and fifth respondents and by filing a report on the same in court. Finally, although the petitioner has not succeeded in showing that as a person, he was vexed twice by the revenue collectors. What he did by coming to court is an action that has helped the people of Keroka and also the people of Nyamira and Kisi, because the tension that was there, knowing where the boundary is and fighting over it, I grant him the cause of this suit. I believe this is a win-win situation. The boundary is there, the service agreement, you can go back to it, or you can decide to do away with it. But again, I also want to thank the people of Keroka, the people of Nyamira, the people of Kisi at large in general, for when this matter was brought to court, and also the fighting that was there came to an end. So let's go back to our businesses. Keroka is a very beautiful and hardworking lady. Let's make use of her for the benefit of the larger Abagusi community and even the other communities living there. I've known Kisis to be very united. You don't have to fight over a boundary at all. All you need to do is to somebody wants to fight to be seen to be collecting more revenue than the other. Mheshimiwa Simba Arati to tell his people to confine themselves territory, however small, however big, that whoever determined that boundary must have done it for the good of the people.